Before trek leading, I used to be this person who was very stubborn, very, you can say, very upfront, very arrogant, brutally honest, and because of which people from my life drifted apart. And trek leading has made me more empathetic, more caring, more kind, because I meet so many people. I meet at least 100 people in a week if I'm leading 4 treks. And these trekkers come from various backgrounds, various parts of the country, and they have all come with their own stories. And seeing their stories, hearing their stories, it has made me more empathetic. It has made me a kind person, because I always try to put myself into their shoes, what they have been through, what they've gone through to be here. And I try to understand what is the reason that has made them what they are. And this understanding has led to a lot of care that I have for my trekkers. And not only to my trekkers, but it has transcended to my family, to my colleagues, to people around me, and not only to people but also to nature. When I lead treks, when we go on mountains, me and my entire team sees a lot of trash, lot of waste created by human beings. We try to pick it up as much as we can. We take it down to a waste center which is in Dehradun, but there also few of the waste will be recycled, but rest will go to the landfill. There is no exit to this waste. Seeing the waste in the waste center, it has impacted me so much that I have understood that if I want to contribute in producing less waste or contribute to give something to the environment, I have to reduce my own consumption of waste, because it will start with me. And it has been 10 months since I have stopped eating packaged food. And the satisfaction that I get is immense. Whenever I lead treks, I go on treks, I make sure that I pass on this value that I have taken so strongly to all my trekkers, to all my teammates, so they can take that one step towards sustainability.